Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious Nigerian okra soup with 2 vegetables. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. So here I have shaki. Put it in a pot, make sure you wash it, and this is stock fish flesh. Add some seasoning cube, salt, add water, cover and leave to cook for 20 minutes. Add beef, then give it a stir, then add chopped onions. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes. So set this aside. In a dry pot, pour in some palm oil. Allow it to heat up for like 1 to 2 minutes. Add your chopped onions. Stir for 2 minutes. Add your crayfish and stir for another 2 minutes. Then you add the protein with the stock. Add fresh pepper. Cook for 5 minutes. Add kpomo. So this kpomo is almost tender. That I'm adding it at this time. Then this is Titus fish. Wash and add it. You're going to leave this to cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. Add seasoning cube, salt. So you have to be careful so the fish wouldn't go into pieces. And at this time, you're going to take out the fish to avoid going into pieces, okay? Then add your washed and cut okra. Just give it a very good mix. Add some water to loosen it up, though it's optional. Then leave for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add Uziza leaves, shredded. Then ugu leaves. So give it a good stir. So it's time to put the fish back and be careful stirring to avoid the fish going into pieces. Leave for 2 more minutes. Our delicious okra soup is ready, guys. You're going to love this recipe. The Uziza and Ogo took this soup to another level of taste and flavor, guys. You're going to love it. Please make sure you try this recipe out. This is a delicious okra soup your family will love, guys. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, please, share, and also subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.